Free consults. Call 24/7. Thousands of Orlando criminal cases handled. We care. Florida DUI and administrative suspension laws. How do I reinstate my license after conviction for driving under the influence? DUI. First DUI. 180-day to looking for Florida DUI attorneys to help you. Hire an experienced Florida DUI lawyer or drunk driving defense attorneys who are experienced in the Florida DUI laws. Compare 1,000 DUI attorneys in Florida on just comprehensive profiles including fees, education, jurisdictions, awards, publications and social media. Florida Law Advisors. PA DUI lawyers in the Tampa Bay area. Florida Law Advisors. PA has a team of attorneys dedicated to defending drivers accused of DUI. Find a Florida DUI attorney to help settle your DUI case. DUI lawyers can help you navigate the court and the DMV. Get help completing the steps required to reinstate. Find Florida DUI/DUI lawyers. Attorneys. Law firms -FL DUI/DUI lawyers. Compare and research DUI and AMP. DUI attorneys in Florida. Only a Florida DUI lawyer is an attorney barred in the state of Florida who represents clients who have been charged with driving under the influence of alcohol. Learn about the penalties for DUI conviction in Florida. There are quite a few varieties of Florida DUI charges that lend themselves to different defense strategies from the DUI defense attorney. Florida DUI and administrative suspension laws. Under Florida law, DUI is one offense proved by Florida law prohibits any hardship reinstatement. Understanding Florida DUI laws can help you avoid a conviction, and the best person to talk to about the particulars of your situation is a Florida DUI attorney. Compare 243 DUI attorneys serving Tampa, Florida on just comprehensive profiles including fees, education, jurisdictions, awards, publications and social media. Free detailed reports on 1018 DUI and AMP. DUI attorneys in Florida including disciplinary sanctions, peer endorsements, and reviews. Florida DUI law and penalties. DUI laws in Florida. Read about Florida DUI law and penalties. Lawyers by location. Find a Florida lawyer specializing in DUI laws. Free search NYC, San Francisco, Chicago or Ested for DUI. Call the law place and speak with our DUI attorneys in Sarasota, Tampa, Orlando and Clearwater. Experienced DUI attorneys. Getting charged with a DUI in the state of Florida is a delicate and complicated matter. Without the proper legal representation of a top DUI lawyer, you may contact a AMP DUI/DUI lawyer or law firm to represent you in your lawsuit. Choose the best attorney using lawyers.com peer rating and review system. Contact a Minneola DUI/DUI lawyer or law firm to represent you in your lawsuit. Browse page 1 and choose the best attorney using lawyers.com peer rating and review. Have you gotten DUI in Florida? DUI charges and penalties differ from state to state. Fill out a free DUI case evaluation to learn your options in Florida. Orlando DUI lawyers. Central Florida's traffic defense law firm. Below are the laws associated with getting a DUI in Florida. It's important to know the penalties. Get help from the Miami DUI attorney. Jonathan Blecker was named in Florida as a per lawyers. What are the new laws for first-time DUI offenders? To try and avoid the most serious penalties and the social stigma associated DUI charges, consult with a Florida DUI lawyer today to build a defense. Florida DUI laws can be complicated, but if you read the site, you will gain a greater understanding of them. Connect with a local defense attorney for help. Florida DUI attorney and the DUI Legal Center was created to provide you with some general information about the Florida DUI penalties. Current Florida DUI laws. The court process for a DUI trial may differ from court but there are a few general steps that serve as a foundation as to what a DUI attorney may expect to witness. If you are arrested for DUI, in conjunction with our experienced attorneys, Florida DUI Law, Florida criminal defense lawyers at Musca Law have a winning track record with DUI, sex crimes, and AMP, federal offenses. Call for a free, confidential consultation. Read about the administrative and criminal penalties for a first offense DUI in Florida, Florida DUI laws. You should talk to an experienced DUI attorney charged with a DUI in Florida for legal defense consultation on FL drunk driving /DUI charges. Fight back with a strong DUI defense.